to subscribe to her daddy's channel.
Daddy.
Because your daddy is lit.
Ain't life so funny when I'm down? It's fuck me when I'm up, boy, you love me, ooh. Now I'm good on all that shit, I get my money right, I bet you can't tell me nothing, no. I can think of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 million reasons. So many reasons why we not on the same type time. I done made my mind, I need cash, I need more bands, I need loyalty, you can keep the romance. I can never go back, that shit made me cold, sad, lonely. Waking up, feeling like a bag this morning. Cause shit won't add enough. I was never broke, I just won't mad enough. Loving way too much, I think I had enough. Speak on me, make sure you bring my status up. Catching up, out the loop, but in the mix, don't matter, bro. I get back and move it like a traveler.
Yes, sir. What up, my boy? Man, you see it? You back. Man, I know you happy as hell, boy. What's good, my boy? Same old shit. Man, that dude got the boot off and some motherfucking damn. What up? Straight pipe, man. That boy got the down pipes, the boot off, and everything. Oh shit, somebody got a mini bike in the back of this shit. Yeah, you gotta see my damn vlog from damn Busco yesterday. These motherfuckers took a mini bike and ran that bitch in the lake.
Damn.
Ran that bitch down. They meant to do it. Like,
Damn.
wait till you see the video. And this dude just dropped the whole bike. Oh, got caught out by the fishing line. This dude just dropped the whole bike in the water, bro.
Yeah.
He ran that bitch straight in the water, boy. Oh my God, man. Man, this dude got the bird shit off this motherfucker.
Barely.
Jeez. Hey, that motherfucker hard, boy. Man, you gotta clean. Who you in there getting to do the work for you?
LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James.
My buddy Dago,
Okay, we're here in Raleigh.
Holly Springs.
Bet there. I went by there in
garage.
Blake House, last Friday?
Yeah.
Last Friday, he told me I was about to there. He said, man, Caleb was fucking with me, bro. I was like, what the fuck? He was like, man, long story. But we cool. He's like, we cool. We was just, I don't know. He was like, I was just in a rush. He was like, I was in a rush and shit.
And then I was on the phone and shit. And, you know,
Yeah, and then
patient as hell.
Yeah, he was like, and then I was kind of rushing him, and then he was like, what the fuck, bro?
Yeah,
He's
I was just like, fuck him, bro. I said, fuck him.
Yeah, he told, he's like, man, but yo, sheesh, this motherfucker right here. Yeah, I was checking out that Vader, but damn, bro, this motherfucker, boy. Yo, when you pulled in, nasty, my boy. Yo, everything hitting on this motherfucker now. Boy. Oh my mama. Like, it sound way better just idling right now, like, real shit. Damn. See it? Oh yeah, look at the carbon. Check that carbon out on that motherfucker, boy. Oh yeah. Yeah, man, like I said, my boy Caleb, he got his down pipes and shit done finally. Man, he got his bitch clean as hell. Yo, look how he got it tucking though. Look at the wheels.
Oh, shit. Look at the motherfucking wheels.
Look where those wheels sitting out on that thing though. Yeah, sir. You see the kick? Yeah, she gleaming too, boy. Bitch looking good too. Man, I'm telling you. Yeah, I can see it on this side. Woo! Oh yeah, I seen the clip of that shit, yo.
Yeah.
You did numbers on them too.
Why the fuck you lying?
He won't fuck
He's running meth.
on that on the Q50.
Yeah. I can do that on this too. There's a
He
whole
ain't
kit
even-
for it.
He ain't stand no chance out.
There's
Like
a-
when you hit this one, that 40 roll,
That
from the
40
40 roll to
yeah.
the 50 roll.
Yeah.
The second time was the 60 roll to 50.
The
The second one was 50.
50.
The second one was 50. But if we did like 60, it would have been worse because my top end was just strong.
Even more.
But we had traffic, so I had to stop. But like, if we would have kept going, bro, it would have been like at least a bus or two.
Bruh.
Why the fuck you lying?
Man, this motherfucker sound good as hell. Boy. That bitch shaking now. Look, she won't do none of that shit before. Ooh. So you got that. Ooh. Hell yeah. Let's get it. Yes, sir, guys. I told y'all, man, this shit getting exclusive. Hit that radio, though, my boy. Yes, sir. Shit. Hell yeah, man. You see it? Man, but hell yeah, that shit be crazy. They be killing me with that copyright.
Hell yeah, bro.
Man, old boy got it damn right in this bitch.
I gotta get this to my boy real quick.
Oh, okay. Yeah, y'all see it, man. We in the big dog. Ooh, check out them. Yes, sir. You see it. Man, we gotta get a quick little pull right quick in this thing on Jane. Yo, so out of all of them, which one your favorite between this and the 350? The Benz? I see you done parked that bit. You don't even damn pump with the damn 350 like you used to. I remember the 350 used to be like, you starting to neglect that bitch now. I ain't gonna cap.
When you got something like this, though.
Exactly, like, right? When I first started coming out here and you was driving that 350, I thought that shit was like some shit out of a magazine.
I can think of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 million reasons.
Like, I ain't even
Low key.
What you think
That
about
shit
the,
clean,
yeah, it's clean. See, he don't want that smoke though. He don't want these type of problems. Like,
That was legitness.
yeah, man. We're gonna get a little ride in action, man. Get a couple pulls right quick, see what she looking like.
Listen
see
to
what she
this
sounding
spool
like.
too right here. When we pass the food line, that shit sounds so good.
Oh yeah, I like hitting little spots like that too. Yo, when you get this bitch downtown between some buildings,
Yeah. Yesterday I was, bro. It sounded like a damn spaceship. I was like, what the fuck?
Yes, sir. Oh my god, bro, the turbos, that bitch do sound like a fucking spaceship.
Facts.
Yeah, this shit is dope.
Mother trucker, dude.
Ooh, my boy got the snack crackle pop on that bitch, dude. Yes, sir.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
That bitch loud too.
Bro, listen guys, let me tell you something. Oh yeah, she definitely like that, man. I ain't even capping, like, it ain't no exaggeration nowhere. This motherfucker, like, pulling. And but it did the tune, you got DM, oh, you got to see, you ain't even had the tune set up. You said the, you got the tune for the new setup yet?
He said I didn't even need it because he said it was already tuned for it. So he said now that you got it, he said it's gonna be 100%. That's
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ooh. So, oh yeah, so basically before you kind of needed to go ahead and upgrade
yeah.
this.
Because it was holding it back a little bit.
Right, so
Yeah.
now it ain't restricted no more. You done
Exactly.
open her ass up. Ooh, boy.
Exactly.
Yes, sir. Yo, this bitch, yo, just that little pull right there, though. Like, I've been in charges and shit,
Yeah.
challenges. It's my first turbo Benz, though.
Alright, he about to send some.
It's the first right here. Man.
Oh my god!
That's what good pussy sounds like.
Yo! Yo! Your shit got launch. You got launch control on this too? Or you just launch it? You know how to launch it? Yeah. You can lock it in and then. Yo, that shit pulled, bro.
Watch this.
Man, I thought the fucking Hellcat was fast.
What's your profanity?
Not even the fucking scat. Ooh. Oh my god, she locked in like a motherfucker. Ooh. Yeah, he don't want that smoke.
Even say nothing to me, boy. You look like a motherfucking
Hey, he don't want none of this smoke. Man, he know he don't want no part to this shit.
This might take forever.
That shit feel real good, boy. In a Benz, bro.
Yeah.
In a fucking Benz, boy. Like, oh shit. Yo, my man CJ on 32s, this nigga got fucking $1 million money though. This
Yeah.
motherfucker bought the E, what is that? The 63S.
Yeah.
With the downpipe TR, it was used. So the motherfucker got it was already tuned and downpipe and everything, all fucking ready, bro. Right?
Yeah.
And this what it sound like when I hear it, when I like watch his vlogs and shit, I see what they talking about now. I can see what they saying. Cause that shit V8, that's an 8.2, right?
Yeah, there's what year? All right, what year is this though?
I think he got the new one. He got like the like a 17, I think he said.
Because I think
On the 63S.
Because there's two. All right, so like between 2012 and like 16, 17, it's like a 5.5
Oh.
bi-turbo. But if it's 18 and newer, it should be like a 4.0.
That's the wrong number.
Okay, okay.
But the 4.0, even though it's a smaller engine, is supposed to be, I guess.
Because of twin turbos, they suppose. Just like how they did the Ford trucks. You know, they did away with the V8s and they went with the little turbo engine. And if you put that V8, I was working with a guy one time. You put that V8, which I didn't know, up against a turbo engine F-150. He was like, yo, them F1, the little turbos in there, smoking them bitches. But it's supposed to be better for gas and all this other because they got the EcoBoost shit.
Yeah.
But with them little turbos, like you say, they fucking busting ass, and then like you say, you get crazy motherfuckers like us to get them and get to playing with them and unlocking shit. Man, ain't no telling. Hello, what's up, my boy? I gotta hit you back, boy. We getting some like footage right now,
Man, I
boy.
was in eco mode too the whole time.
It was an
Hold
eco
on.
mode?
Let me put on sport.
Oh shit, guys! You see that shit? We won't even in sport. This shit about to get real funky now, boy. I'm talking about, guys. This shit is lit.
Mother trucker, dude.
Oh shit, boy. Bruh, I know when you got these fucking pipe. When you get them Saturday?
I got them Wednesday. My buddy put it on for me Friday.
Oh my god, that's fucking crazy, man. This motivation right here, boy. You making me rethink my project car. Oh, you hear that? What the fuck? Damn!
Watch your profanity.
Bro, that shit sounds good as hell, bro. I ain't gonna cap. Like, bro, you got it. You got it right now. Like, that shit is fucking ridiculous. Get that good salad up there.
Really, nigga?
Man, this motherfucker sick, bro. This bitch sick. Yo, and what size wheels you got on here again?
20s.
That's the wrong number.
20, boy. Perfect. I wouldn't even change these setup. I wouldn't even change the setup. I wouldn't even. I don't even know what the fuck you could do next. Like, what more could you do, bro? Like,
Intakes.
oh yeah. When we was talking about it.
Yeah.
Okay. I remember when we was talking about those.
I still got to do a charge pipe. I can still run meth.
So
like
you
I
still
told
got so much
So
more.
I got
than
a
that.
lot more.
But you
shit.
run meth, would it still be a daily drive? Would you still
Yeah,
be
it
able
used to be daily.
So when you get the meth, where the hell you get that shit from? You get that? You gotta order that shit.
I gotta order it.
Yeah, I'm about to say
order it.
you ain't gonna just pull up and get that shit out the store. You just keep it on hand though. They get it with the 5-gallon joints.
They got two options.
Kind of like the racing fuel, like the motorcycle racing fuel and shit in those cans. Okay.
Yeah.
And when you run up there, you ain't got to run methanol all the time, do you? Okay.
I don't think so. I gotta do some more research, but I mean, that shouldn't even. You shouldn't have.
Should
to.
be, yeah, as long as you keep the good shit in here. Like,
Yeah,
it's just that you can tell that different. You unlock them other horses with that that methanol.
So with the methanol, I was reading that I should be getting an extra 100 horsepower.
Extra 100?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Bro, that's fucking crazy, bro. This shit is already fucking like.
Bro, you should have seen my girl's reaction when I picked her up from work.
Yeah.
Because she worked at the Beaver Creek, and they got all the buildings so you can hear the echo.
Right.
You should've seen her face.
Them tight spots like that.
You should have
Like,
seen her face,
man.
bro. She was like, I fucking love it. She was like, I fucking love it.
Can you eat pussy like that? Got him.
Bro, this shit, man. Oh, man. That's crazy, dog. I ain't gonna cat. Like, you talking about. Like this bitch demand attention.
Yeah.
Like it's just fucking demanding. Like, man, and that bitch was so good too.
That damn vet wanted to smoke.
He ain't want no smoke. He ain't want no smoke with the Benz, boy. He already know he ain't want no problems.
I never seen a color like that on one of them.
That pearl, like that
That
blue.
was like a damn mint.
Uh-huh.
That shit was clean.
I be going to the Hendrix a lot up here in Carrot, the Hendrix Chevrolet up here.
Yeah.
I catch the truck sometimes because I go, man, I be catching them come off the truck. They bring them in like 10, 12 cars at a time lined up on that bitch. Now y'all got them little covers like y'all know what they are and shit.
Oh, damn.
Man, them shits is hard. Let me get a little outside shot of this thing right here in the back of the back. In the back of the back, in the back. Hey. So yeah, man, y'all just shoo.
There's no cats, no resonators.
No nothing, just man, this bitch is nasty too, boy. I seen it, man. But like I say, man, there's more to come. It's just the beginning. It's just like I say. Y'all go back and watch last week vlog of this bad bitch. Yo, it ain't sound nothing like this. Like this bitch got like a whole new personality now.
You gotta go back to work.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Which way, going that way?
Yeah, going down 55.
Do like what we did last time.
Bet that.
Downside.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I need to
Shit.
hear myself.
Hell yeah, I got you. I'm gonna send you the footage too. I'm gonna send it to you. We about to matter of fact, I'm about to slide out now. I done did everything I need to do up here. Shit, you done on here?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Shit, I'm gonna find we about to get this little ride along footage, guys. We're gonna see what it's looking like. Gang.